friends, welcome to another lecture in Grafana series. So today we'll learn another type of visualization in Grafana. So this is called stat. So it shows you the real-time value or the last record in your InfluxDB table. So currently I have saved static data, that is the color, and I have shown the last one. By default, when you choose this, let's exit this editor query. So I have included new data connection, data source connection, in which the table is having, this is my database new, and it contains a table that is bar, and inside it I've sent some data that is text, and this is the color. So I want what was the last value. So in this, when you choose it by default, it selects a numerical value. It expects a numerical value, and by default, it gives us the count. Okay, so to get the count, here you need to select the table, database, and the table, and then in the right hand side inside the fields, it is selected numerical fields, and is you can found the count part. So it counts the record. Now let's add a new record. So I injected a new record that is red. Now let's get this value. So you can see the count becomes 5. Now if I want the value of that column, that is my part color. So here you can see there is no part field which I can choose. So I need to edit the query and write select part from bar order by time in descending order and limit by 1. So what it does, it arranges my records or the table data in descending form by the time, and then gives me the last value. That is the that represents limit 1. Now if you save this, so you will not get any numerical data because you are selecting the data of part. Now here in the fields you should select part, and then you will get the last record. Now let's send some other field data, let's say, and you will see this updating in our dashboard. So now you can see the latest value. So what it does, it gives us the real time data changing, because it gives the last record only. So it is the stat value. And there's some representation you can check: title, description, transparent links, value options, all values, limit. So you can see, you can also select all fields, means all columns. Numeric fields we don't have. Part we have. Orientation, text mode, let's keep it auto. Color mode, so these are the color modes. You can explore these settings by yourself and make your dashboard look more beautiful. And you can choose the color from here. Yes. So I hope that you learned this type of visualization in Grafana and try to use it on your own to keep remembering this. Thanks for watching.